What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the incredible Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F 5.0 home theater pack, and I can tell you, it's been a game changer in my entertainment experience. This bundle includes everything you need for a complete home theater setup: 2 RP-8000F 8-inch floor standing speakers, an RP-504C2 center channel speaker, and 2 RP-600M2 bookshelf speakers, all coming together to deliver an unparalleled audio experience. One of the most striking features of this system is its superior sound quality. With a sensitivity of 98 dB and a frequency response of 35 to 25 kHz, every detail in your music, movies, or games comes through crisp and clear. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or immersing yourself in your favorite video game, the clarity and depth of sound will transport you right into the action. This level of audio fidelity is not just about hearing your content, it's about feeling it. The precision in sound reproduction ensures that every whisper, every explosion, and every musical note is delivered with such realism that you'll feel like you're right there in the midst of it all. Another key aspect that sets this system apart is its robust power output. Capable of handling 150W of continuous power and peaking at 600W, these speakers can deliver dynamic sound that's both powerful and distortion-free. This means you can enjoy your content at any volume, from the softest dialogue to the most intense action sequences, without worrying about losing any detail or experiencing unwanted distortion. Whether you're a fan of cinematic blockbusters, a gamer, or someone who loves to immerse themselves in music, the power and clarity of these speakers ensure that every experience is nothing short of breathtaking. The Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F system also boasts advanced connectivity options, making it incredibly versatile. With dual aluminum binding posts, you have the capability for by-wire or bi-amp setups, giving you the flexibility to customize your system to your specific needs. Additionally, with Dolby Atmos pass-through, you can enjoy the latest in audio technology, creating a truly immersive three-dimensional sound field. This level of connectivity not only future-proofs your system, but also ensures that you can integrate it with a wide range of devices, from amplifiers and receivers to the latest gaming consoles and Blu-ray players. What's really impressive about this system is how seamlessly it integrates with other components. Designed with an 8 ohms nominal impedance, these speakers are compatible with a wide range of amplifiers and receivers, making setup a breeze. This compatibility means you don't have to worry about complex technical specifications or compatibility issues. You can simply focus on enjoying your entertainment. Whether you're upgrading your existing home theater or building one from scratch, the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F 5.0 home theater pack is designed to fit right in and elevate your entire entertainment experience. In conclusion, the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F 5.0 home theater pack is an exceptional bundle that offers everything you need for an unparalleled home theater experience. With its superior sound quality, robust power output, advanced connectivity options, and optimal system compatibility, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their entertainment to the next level. If you're as impressed as I am with this system, be sure to check it out. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F 5.0 home theater pack and discover a whole new world of immersive audio. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.